Hello guys, we use smartphone Nokia G21, this version 4GB memory and 64GB Intel memory. Open box with completation. In completation we have device made of plastic, and in completation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. That's all completation. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side and LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display, on this side power key and volume keys. Power key with fingerprint scanner. On this side smart key and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device. Okay, HD resolution display we have, IPS, 90 Hz display, and open tests, Geekbench 5. We have CPU Unisoc T606, octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, GPU Mali G57, resolution and display PPA, log results, single core score and multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark tests, onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this. GTA San Andreas doesn't work, open Real Racing free. This game works good on the medium graphic level. Okay, Real Racing on the medium graphic level works good. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.